Most financial gurus tell you to stop buying your daily $5 coffee if you want to get rich. Honestly, that's terrible advice. In today's economy, cutting out coffee isn't going to save you from inflation. You don't need to starve your lifestyle. You need a system. You don't need to live in extreme scarcity. What you actually need is actionable, strategic blueprinting. No fluff, no generic budgeting cliches. In this video, we are breaking down the exact 3-step system to stack your first $10,000, exploit credit card hacks that banks absolutely hate, and launch 2 side hustles that can generate real income from your phone. Let's get straight into it. Saving 10 grand sounds daunting. If you try to save whatever is left over at the end of the month, you will fail. Because guess what? There's never anything left over. You have to implement the first rule of wealth. Pay yourself first. The moment your paycheck hits, 20% needs to automatically vanish into a separate account. But do not put it in a traditional big bank. They pay a miserable 0.01% interest, meaning your money is literally dying a slow death to inflation every single second. Instead, move your money into a high-yield savings account, or HYSA. Top HYSAs offer around 4% to 5% interest. It's completely risk-free, passive money, and keeping it out of sight ensures you won't spend it on an impulse buy. Automate the entire process. Set up your banking app so that the transfer happens automatically on payday. Take human error out of the equation. Speaking of impulse buys, start using the 30-day rule. See a new iPad or designer sneakers you want? Force yourself to wait 30 days. 80% of the time, the urge completely fades, and that cash stays right in your pocket. Break down $10,000 into a daily micro goal. That's roughly $27 a day. And you cancel 1 unused subscription and substitute 1 restaurant meal for a home-cooked dinner to save $27 a day. Absolutely. Phase 1 is locked in. Now, let's make the banks pay you. Banks make billions of dollars off people who don't understand how the financial system works. But when you play the game like the wealthy do, you can travel the world for free and skyrocket your credit score overnight. Here are 3 hacks they want kept quiet. Hack number 1, the statement date versus due date trick. Most people think they just need to pay their bill before the due date. Wrong. If you want a perfect 800 plus credit score, you need to look at your statement closing date. This is the day the bank reports your balance to the credit bureaus. If your card limit is $1,000 and you spend $800, even if you pay it off by the due date, the bank reports an 80% utilization rate, which trashes your score. The hack: pay your balance down to under 10% before the statement closing date. This single shift manipulates the system in your favor, boosting your credit score significantly within a single billing cycle. Hack number 2, sign-up bonus flipping. Never use a debit card for large, essential purchases. If you're buying a $1,200 laptop for work or school, open a new credit card that offers a major introductory bonus, like spend $1,000 in the first 3 months, get $200 back. Buy the laptop, immediately pay off the card balance using your savings, and boom, you just bagged an instant 20% discount. Hack number 3, authorized user piggybacking. If you have 0 credit history or a damaged score, ask a family member with immaculate credit to add you as an authorized user on their oldest credit card. You don't even need to hold the physical card. Just by being attached to the account, their decades of perfect payment history copy-pastes onto your credit report, skyrocketing your score in 30 days. This is exactly how people leverage credit card points to secure luxury hotel stays and international flights for $0 out of pocket. It's about using the bank's money to fund your leverage. We've automated your savings and we've optimized your credit system. But let's be realistic. You can only save so much of a limited income. To cross that $10,000 finish line fast, you need to scale your revenue. Here are 2 highly effective side hustles you can execute right now. Experiment number 1, AI-powered digital products. The era of dropshipping, cheap, slow shipping physical goods is over. The real margins are in digital products. Use platforms like ChatGPT and Canva to build digital planners, automated budgeting spreadsheets, or social media kits. You create the asset once, list it on Etsy or Shopify, and it sells indefinitely. 0 cost of goods, 99% profit margins. Experiment number 2, remote high-ticket appointment setting. There are thousands of US-based creators, coaches, and B2B businesses who have an overwhelming influx of leads, but 0 time to manage them. Your job is simply to log into their accounts, chat with warm leads via DM or email, and schedule them into the company's calendar. You don't do any high-pressure selling. You are simply the bridge connecting an interested prospect to the calendar. When the closer seals the deal, you get a clean cut. If the company closes a $5,000 client, you take home a 10% commission. That's $500 just for managing messages from your phone, completely faceless. Information without execution is entirely useless. You now hold the complete blueprint, saving $27 a day into an HYSA. mastering the statement date trick, and launching high-margin side hustles. Here's my challenge to you. Do not just close this video and jump to the next piece of content. Pick one strategy from this video and take action on it today. Set up that high-yield account or map out your first digital product idea. If you found value in this masterclass, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more raw wealth-building breakdowns, and drop a comment below letting me know which side hustle you're starting first. I'll see you in the next video. Stay smart.